Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to control our mind in Stoic way. Let's get into it. In the intricate tapestry of existence, where the threads of fate weave a complex pattern of joys and sorrows, Stoicism stands as a beacon of wisdom amidst the tumult. Imagine a serene harbor amidst a raging storm, a place of refuge and calm amidst the chaos of life's tempests. Stoicism offers us such a sanctuary, drawing upon the timeless insights of ancient philosophers like Epictetus, Marcus Aurelius, and Seneca to guide us in navigating the labyrinth of the mind and cultivating inner tranquility in the face of life's myriad challenges. 1. Recognize what you can control. Picture a ship sailing amidst turbulent waters, buffeted by waves beyond its control. Stoicism invites us to discern between the winds we can harness and those that will forever elude our grasp. Epictetus, the sage of Stoicism, offers us a compass for this journey, reminding us that while we cannot control external events, we possess the power to govern our reactions to them. By focusing our attention on the things we can control, our thoughts, behaviors, and attitudes, we liberate ourselves from the tyranny of anxiety and fear. 2. Practice detachment with compassion. Consider the lotus flower floating serenely upon the surface of a tranquil pond. Stoicism teaches us to emulate the lotus, embracing detachment not as a cold indifference to the world, but as a compassionate acceptance of its transient nature. Inspired by the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, we learn to view external events with equanimity, recognizing that our interpretations of them shape our emotional responses. By cultivating a compassionate detachment from external outcomes, we cultivate inner peace that remains unshaken amidst life's storms. 3. Embrace life's challenges as opportunities for growth. Picture a seedling breaking through the earth's crust, stretching towards the sun's nourishing rays. Seneca, the Stoic philosopher, exhorts us to embrace life's challenges with courage and resilience. Rather than viewing adversity as a source of despair, Stoicism teaches us to see it as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. By confronting challenges with a spirit of fortitude, we cultivate inner strength and emerge from life's trials stronger and wiser. 4. Cultivate virtue in thought and action. Imagine a sculptor shaping a block of marble into a masterpiece, chiseling away the excess to reveal the inherent beauty within. At the heart of Stoicism lies the cultivation of virtue, the embodiment of wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice. Drawing inspiration from the Stoic virtues, we strive to align our thoughts and actions with these noble ideals, thereby upholding the dignity of our humanity and leading lives of purpose and integrity. 5. Live in harmony with nature. Picture a tree swaying gently in the breeze, rooted firmly in the earth and reaching towards the sky. Stoicism invites us to live in accordance with the natural order, to align our will with the universal reason that governs the cosmos. By relinquishing our attachment to desires and embracing the flow of life, we find solace in the embrace of the eternal. 6. Embrace the impermanence of all things. Consider the fleeting beauty of a sunset, painting the sky in hues of gold and crimson before fading into darkness. Stoicism teaches us to embrace the impermanence of all things and to live each moment with intention and clarity. 7. Find joy in adversity. Imagine a phoenix rising from the ashes, reborn and renewed after facing the fires of destruction. Adversity is not to be feared, but embraced as an opportunity for growth. Stoicism teaches us to find joy in adversity, knowing that it strengthens the mind and builds resilience. 8. Practice self-reflection. Imagine standing before a mirror, gazing into your own eyes and seeing the reflection of your true self. Self-awareness is key to the Stoic journey. By engaging in rigorous self-reflection, we uncover our strengths and weaknesses, aligning our actions with our highest ideals. 9. Confront your mortality. Consider the hourglass, its sands slipping steadily through the narrow neck, reminding us of the fleeting nature of time. Stoicism confronts us with the reality of our mortality, urging us to live each day with intention and purpose. 10. Forge inner strength. Through adversity, picture a blacksmith, hammer in hand, shaping molten metal into a blade of tempered steel. In facing life's challenges with courage and resilience, we forge inner strength that sustains us through even the darkest of times. In the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, we find not only a philosophy, but a way of life, a path illuminated by the insights of the ancients. Through the practice of self-control, fortitude, and virtue, we transcend the tumult of the world and find solace in the depths of our own souls. Let us heed the call of the Stoics and embark upon the journey of self-mastery, a journey that leads not only to inner peace, but to the heights of human excellence.